In this video, I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies in Firefox quickly and easily. This is a simple privacy setting that can help reduce tracking across websites, improve your browsing privacy, and give you more control over how your data is used online. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can change privacy, security, and browser preferences. Now, on the left-hand side, click the Privacy and Security tab. This section contains the controls for tracking protection, cookies, permissions, and other privacy-related options. Once you're here, look for the Enhanced Tracking Protection area. Under Enhanced Tracking Protection, click Advanced Settings. This gives you more detailed privacy controls, including the ability to customize how Firefox handles tracking and cookies. Next, select Custom, and then click Customize Tracking Protection. This option lets you manually choose which protections you want enabled instead of using a preset mode. Now, find the cookie setting and enable it. Once cookies are enabled in the Custom Tracking Protection area, use the drop-down menu to select all cross-site cookies. This is the key step for blocking third-party cookies because cross-site cookies are typically used to track you across different websites. After selecting all cross-site cookies, Firefox will block those third-party cookies while still allowing your browser to work normally for most sites. This means you get a stronger privacy setup without having to completely disable all cookies everywhere. That's all there is to it. You've now blocked third-party cookies in Firefox and improved your browsing privacy in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.